Hi guys! Today I will show you some behind the scenes footage of my latest photoshoot. The idea was beautiful portrait in the tall grass during the golden hour. The shoot is set at a location that I scouted the day before. My model today is Eva and you can find her Instagram in the description. When we start shooting, the sun was still very high, so I decided to shoot with the sun behind the model. She had to sit down in the grass to make the light work. For the first photos, I used my Canon 50mm lens. After a few photos, we decided to move on to the second spot and change the model's outfit. The sun was still really high, but I really want to shoot in the wheat field. The conditions were far from perfect, but check out the photos and let me know what you think in the comments. We were ready to move on the next spot, but then we noticed a tree that provides a bit of shade that we can use. I took my favorite photos here. For these photos, I used the Tamron 70-200 in f4. For the last location, we changed her outfit again. While trying to find the perfect light, our cameraman found a lot of poppies, which we all love. The light was perfect for some backlit photos. That's it for this photoshoot, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye!